Success leaves clues. This quote by Tony Robbins underscores the value of studying real world examples to understand how agile methodologies can drive success. In this lecture, we will explore two renowned agile success stories: Spotify's Agile Transformation and Google's use of Scrum. These companies embraced agile principles in unique ways, tailoring them to their cultures and challenges. In this lecture, you will learn from Spotify's and Google's agile journeys, focusing on their methodologies and key strategies. Identify lessons and best practices that can be applied in various organizational contexts. Understand how agile adaptability is critical to success. Spotify's transformation into Agile Powerhouse is a textbook example of how to scale Agile while maintaining innovation and adaptability. Faced with rapid growth and increasing complexity, Spotify recognized the need for a flexible framework to ensure alignment across teams without stifling creativity. Squads, tribes, chapters, and guides. Spotify introduced a unique structure to balance autonomy and alignment. Squads are small, cross functional teams akin to Scrum teams. Tribes are collections of squads working on related goals. Chapters ensure skill development and standardization across squads. Guides bring together individuals with shared interests, fostering innovation. Strong culture of autonomy. Spotify empowered teams to decide how to achieve their objectives, encouraging ownership and accountability. Continuous improvement. Regular retrospectives and feedback loops allowed Spotify to refine processes and address challenges proactively. Adaptability is key. Spotify did not rigidly follow Scrum or any single agile framework. Instead, it created a system tailored to its needs. Culture matters. Agile practices only work when supported by a culture of trust, collaboration, and transparency. Google's success with Scrum illustrates how a focused and disciplined agile approach can drive innovation in a fast paced environment. Teams at Google adopted Scrum to enhance collaboration and deliver value faster. Clear product ownership. Google emphasized the role of product owner in prioritizing work and ensuring alignment with business goals. Data driven decision making. Scrum teams leveraged data and analytics to guide sprint planning, ensuring decisions were grounded in evidence rather than assumptions. Time boxed sprints. By adhering strictly to sprint timelines, Google teams maintained a predictable cadence and avoided scope creep. One notable example of Scrum at Google is the development of Google Chrome. Using Scrum, the team delivered iterative updates, incorporated user feedback efficiently, and scaled the browser to billions of users worldwide. Prioritization drives success. The product owner's role in prioritizing features ensured that teams focused on delivering maximum value. Agility at scale is achievable. With the right structure and discipline, even large organizations can implement Agile effectively. While Spotify created a custom Agile framework to suit its culture and scale, Google adhered to Scrum principles with a focus on discipline and data driven practices. Both approaches highlight the flexibility of Agile. It's not about following a single methodology, but choosing what works best for your organization. Think of Spotify's and Google's approaches as navigation tools. Spotify's custom Agile framework is like a compass, guiding teams in a general direction while allowing flexibility and exploration. Google's use of Scrum is like a GPS, providing precise instructions and clear steps to reach the destination. Different tools work best in different contexts, whether you use a compass or a GPS. The goal is to keep moving towards success. Research another organization that has successfully implemented agile methodologies. Write a case study highlighting their approach, challenges faced, and lessons learned. Compare their strategy to Spotify's and Google's to identify common patterns and unique differences. Spotify and Google demonstrate that agile is not a one size fits all solution. Each organization tailored agile principles to fit their unique challenges, cultures, and goals. Let's discuss the insights you gained and how they could be applied to other industries or teams. Share your ideas in the comment section.